So as Will mentioned, we've had the kit around a week now. It's come back from paint. The car's all complete, as you can see behind me. So that's a full service. It's a detachable tow bar, and it's an ABT narrow body kit. So really, we don't do one of these in the UK at all. Very popular in Europe. Ironically, this one is going back across to Monaco. But the narrow body, by very definition, the difference is it doesn't have the wide wheel arches. So you get the full front end, the full rear end. You get the door mouldings, which are about sort of 3 inches deeper. So a real nice look. You've got the optional rear wing, which we've added. But of course, you've just got that narrower look, and I really like it. I don't know why it's not so popular here in the UK. Everybody opts for the wide body, and that's the sort of the classic look for the ABT SQ7s. But yeah, I actually really quite like it, and love to know what you think in the comments. So if you let us know in the comments, and we'll catch up in the next video.